Hello, I'm Tom Fawcett, Senior Vice President and General Manager of the Lab and Production Business Unit at Viavi Solutions. While some segments of our market remain challenged, there certainly is a lot of excitement around artificial intelligence and machine learning. Our customers are racing to develop chips, modules, peripherals, and systems that support the data rates and network integrity characteristics necessary for these emerging applications. Viavi is providing the advanced testing platforms you need to develop and verify your designs. For example, we have introduced an initial PCIe 6 offering to our XGig line. PCIe 6, combined with advanced generations of CXL, provides speed and latency properties needed for high-performance computing applications. And PCIe 7, which doubles the throughput of Gen 6, is on the horizon. Our customers continue to invest in our industry-leading ONT platform for their latest designs. The ONT supports the most insightful physical layer testing up to 800 gig. We are proud that our new OneLab Pro multi-port, multi-flow, high-speed Ethernet testing design was recently recognized with a Lightwave Innovation Award. The OneLab Pro platform is engineered to support the rapidly developing 1.6 terabit ecosystem. It is also designed to scale to even higher data rates, which are forecasted for the not-too-distant future, with an advanced architecture, modern web UI, and Python-based automation. On the manufacturing side, our versatile MAP 300 platform remains the industry standard for testing optics and transceivers to 1.6 terabit speeds needed to support emerging applications. Now, more than ever, engineers rely on the feature-rich functionality and deep insights of Viavi lab and live testing platforms for their latest designs, all the way through to production at scale. Viavi is proud to work with you to provide solutions for your progressively more complex development and manufacturing challenges. To learn more about our solutions offering, visit viavisolutions.com or contact your local sales representative.